Hello Pythonistas! Welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to learn a new topic called functions in Python. So what is a function basically? Function is something which is a block of statement or a block of code which we can write or it is already available somewhere so that we can use that part of code whenever needed in our program. That is basically a function. That is, it is a predefined or a user defined set of code which we can have it and we can use it whenever necessary in our program. So yeah, loop is also a repetition of the same code. Functions are also a repetition of the same code. So if we have a same code and we need it to be repeated, we can use a loop or a function. So we need to decide whether we need to use a loop or a function. Yeah, here comes the actual matter. Loop is something which is continuously repeating. That is, if we have a code which is continuously going to repeat, then we can use a loop. But function is something we have a set of code which is going to repeat but not continuously. It will be having some task whenever we need, we are going to call that. For example, in real life, as I said, you eating, sleeping, bathing, everything comes under loop because it is continuously repeating. But just imagine that we are having a birthday party. So we already know what are the things to be done in a birthday party. It is not like every year we are going to celebrate a birthday party. So that place comes the function. So we know what are the set of instructions to be written in a function, but we don't know when we are going to use it. So whenever we need, we are going to call that function and use it. So this is the particular example I can give you in real life for the usage of functions. Yes friends, so functions in Python is divided into three parts, which is built-in functions, user-defined functions and lambda functions. So coming to built-in functions are something which we already have the set of block where the Python itself gives us so that we can use them directly. We no need to write code for them. And yeah, user defined function is something which we will write the code and we can use it whenever we need. Lambda function is very specific to Python where it is a user defined function but it is a single line function. If you have only one line of code to be repeated in a single line, then we can use a lambda function. It is very easy friends, and yeah, coming up in future classes, first we will discuss in detail about built-in functions. I will try to cover many commonly used built-in functions with some examples so that it will be easy for us to use in real life programming, and then we can cover about user defined and lambda functions all together friends. Okay then, bye bye, and this is Shravanti.